Hi everyone, welcome back to Chime Guides. I'm Alexis and I've been a Chime member since 2021. And today we're talking about how easy it is to find an ATM near you. So you're in a new neighborhood visiting family and you're a little light on cash. No problem. For those moments when you need cash, Chime has access to more than 50,000 fee-free ATMs. That's more than the top 3 national banks combined. The question is, how do you find one? Here are the 2 main ways you can find fee-free ATMs: by searching in the app and through the ATM Finder on Chime's website. First up, through the app. To find in-network ATMs through the app, just open the Chime app and tap Move at the bottom. Then tap Find an ATM. Allow your device to share your location with the app automatically for the map to appear. You can tap Walgreens Only to find locations where you can also deposit cash fee-free. You get a list of locations in order of closest to furthest, and it will even show if they're open or closed. The second way is by finding ATMs through the website. If you'd rather use the website, just visit chime.com/ATMs, then scroll down to in-network ATM near me. Type in your zip code, city and state, or address, and the ATM Finder will show you a map of nearby ATMs. Now you need to deposit cash? No problem. You can deposit cash by bringing it to a cashier at any of the thousands of Walgreens locations fee-free. No Walgreens near you? You can deposit cash at up to 100,000 retail locations including CVS and 7-Eleven. Just keep in mind they might charge a fee depending on where it is. Save some bucks and stick with Walgreens. I bet you're wondering, are there any other benefits of having access to in-network ATMs? There are, so let's go. Fee-free ATM cash withdrawals, the ability to check how much you have in your account, and a larger ATM network than the top 3 national banks combined are just a few. Get started today at chime.com and find your nearest fee-free ATM. Thanks for watching. For more Chime tips and tricks, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.